What if your next home looked like it came straight out of a sci-fi film, survived a hurricane, cut your energy bills in half, and cost less to build than a traditional house? That is not a fantasy. That is a geodesic dome home. And in 2026, more families across the United States, Canada, the UK, and Australia are choosing this radical design over conventional construction. But here's the part nobody talks about: the real costs, the real challenges, and the truth about whether this lifestyle is actually worth it. Stay with me until the end of this video because I'm going to walk you through everything, including a company that can build one of these for you right now. If you are new here, welcome to Affordable Homes and Plans, the channel where we break down real home design options with honest numbers and zero fluff. Hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video like this one. And drop a comment below right now. Would you actually live in a geodesic dome home? Let me know. What is a geodesic dome home? Let us start at the very beginning. A geodesic dome is a spherical or partial spherical structure made up of a network of triangles. Those triangles interlock to form a rigid, self-supporting shell. The genius of this design is in the geometry itself. Because the load of the structure is distributed evenly across all those triangular panels, the dome does not need internal load-bearing walls to stay standing. Architect and inventor Buckminster Fuller popularized this concept in the mid-20th century, and for decades it was mostly associated with military installations, science stations, and experimental communes. But that image is changing fast. In 2026, geodesic dome homes have evolved into refined, architect-designed residences that blend cutting-edge engineering with serious aesthetic appeal. We are no longer talking about hippie hideaways with plywood panels and drafty seams. Modern dome homes feature high-performance insulation systems, floor-to-ceiling glazing, open-plan interiors, loft spaces, and smart home integration. They are being built on mountain properties, coastal lots, desert land, and even standard suburban plots. The design has gone mainstream in a way that Buckminster Fuller himself might not have predicted, and the market is responding. Why geodesic dome homes are trending in 2026. There are three big reasons why dome homes are having a serious moment right now. The first is climate resilience. Extreme weather events have become a defining concern for home buyers, and the geodesic dome is one of the most structurally sound residential forms ever designed. The aerodynamic shape deflects wind rather than catching it, which is why dome structures have been tested and proven in environments ranging from Arctic research stations to hurricane-prone coastlines. A well-built dome home can withstand wind speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour, and the interlocking triangular structure gives it seismic resistance that flat-walled homes simply cannot match. The second reason is energy efficiency. The spherical form means that a dome home has roughly 38% less surface area than a conventional rectangular home of the same interior square footage. Less surface area means less heat loss in winter and less heat gain in summer. Many dome homeowners report heating and cooling costs that run 30 to 50% lower than comparable traditional homes. In a year when energy prices have continued to rise across North America, Europe, and Australia, that kind of long-term saving is genuinely compelling. The third driver is the desire for something different. We are living through a period when home buyers, particularly younger buyers and remote workers, are actively rejecting the cookie-cutter subdivision aesthetic. The geodesic dome delivers visual drama, a connection to nature through its curved interior ceiling, and a sense of individuality that a standard four-bedroom colonial simply cannot offer. Social media has played a role here too. Dome homes photograph beautifully, and that visibility has introduced the concept to a whole new generation of potential buyers. Design options and configurations. One of the most common misconceptions about geodesic dome homes is that they all look the same. In reality, the design category covers a surprisingly wide range of configurations. The most straightforward option is a single dome structure used as a primary residence. These range from compact 500 square foot retreats up to expansive 3,000 square foot family homes with full kitchens, multiple bedrooms, and dedicated bathrooms. Interior layouts use the circular footprint creatively, with curved partition walls, mezzanine loft levels, and central open living spaces that feel dramatically larger than their square footage suggests. Beyond the standalone dome, there are cluster configurations where multiple interconnected domes serve different functions. A main dome might house the living and kitchen areas, while a second dome contains the sleeping quarters and a third serves as a studio, garage, or guest space. This modular approach is one of the most architecturally interesting directions in contemporary dome design, and it allows the home to grow incrementally as the family's needs change. There is also a growing category of hybrid designs that pair a geodesic dome with conventional rectangular additions. These hybrid homes often retain the dome as the central living space, with traditional stick-framed wings extending from it to accommodate bedrooms, utility rooms, or garages. The result is a home that captures the energy efficiency and aesthetic drama of the dome, while delivering the practical room layouts that many families prefer. Glazing is one of the most impactful design decisions in a dome home. A fully or partially glazed dome creates an extraordinary light-filled interior with panoramic views in every direction. These glass dome homes work particularly well on rural properties with scenic surroundings, and they have become popular as high-end vacation rentals and primary residences in places like the Pacific Northwest, the Scottish Highlands, and Scandinavia. On the other end of the spectrum, opaque insulated panel domes are optimized for thermal performance in extreme climates and deliver a more private, cocoon-like interior experience. Interior design inside a dome home. The curved walls and soaring central ceiling of a dome home create an interior design challenge that is also an extraordinary opportunity. The first thing most people notice when they step inside a dome home is the height. Depending on the dome's diameter, the central peak can reach anywhere from 12 to over 20 feet. That vertical drama immediately makes the space feel expansive, and it invites design choices that lean into the grandeur rather than fighting it. Furniture selection matters more inside a dome than in a standard rectangular room. Because the walls curve inward as they rise, you lose usable wall space as you move away from the center of the dome. The practical response is to keep the core of the space open and push functional elements like shelving, storage, and built-in furniture toward the perimeter where the ceiling is lower. Curved or circular furniture pieces work particularly well and reinforce the home's geometry. The loft is one of the most beloved features in dome home interiors. Because the upper portion of the dome is often too low for full standing height at the walls but has generous headroom at the center, a mezzanine loft access by a spiral staircase makes perfect use of that elevated space. Many dome homeowners use the loft as the primary bedroom, taking advantage of the skylight or upper glazing panels to create a sleeping space that feels genuinely magical. Color and material choices in dome interiors tend toward the natural and the warm. Exposed timber framing, natural plaster walls, concrete floors with radiant heating, and wood-paneled ceilings all work beautifully in the curved environment. The organic shapes of the dome seem to call for organic materials, and the interiors that photograph and perform best in 2026 are the ones that lean into that relationship. What does a geodesic dome home cost to build in 2026? Now let us get to the number that matters most. What does a geodesic dome home actually cost to build in 2026? The honest answer is that costs vary significantly depending on size, specification, location, and whether you are going the DIY kit route or commissioning a fully custom build. But we can give you realistic ranges that reflect what is actually happening in the market right now. At the entry level, geodesic dome kit homes offer the most affordable path into this type of construction. A basic dome kit for a 500 to 800 square foot structure typically runs between $15,000 and $35,000 for the structural components alone. That covers the frame, connector hubs, and panel materials, but it does not include foundation work, interior finishes, plumbing, electrical, or any site preparation. Once you factor all of those in, a small completed dome home on a simple foundation can realistically come in between $80,000 and $150,000 total, depending on your location and finish level. Mid-range dome homes in the 1,000 to 1,500 square foot range with good quality finishes, proper insulation, full kitchens, and comfortable bathrooms are currently running between $150,000 and $300,000 in most U.S. markets. This is where the cost per square foot advantage of dome construction starts to become meaningful. Conventional stick-framed homes in comparable markets are typically running $200 to $400 per square foot in 2026. Well-executed dome builds in this size range often come in at $150 to $250 per square foot all-in, representing a genuine saving. At the high end of the market, luxury dome homes with full glazing, high-performance insulation systems, premium finishes, and architect-led design can reach anywhere from $400,000 to well over $1 million. These are custom projects on premium sites, and the cost reflects both the complexity of the build and the quality of the materials and systems involved. The price range for high-end dome builds is not dramatically different from luxury conventional construction, but what you get for the money in terms of design, energy performance, and structural resilience is arguably superior. There are a few cost factors specific to dome construction that are worth flagging. First, foundation work. Because the dome's load is distributed around its circular perimeter, it typically requires a ring beam foundation or continuous concrete grade beam rather than a simple slab or strip footing. This can add cost compared to a conventional foundation, but also delivers exceptional stability. Second, interior fitting. The curved walls require custom cabinetry, non-standard window and door framing, and careful planning for mechanical systems. Contractors who are unfamiliar with dome construction may price these elements higher because they represent unfamiliar work. Using a builder with specific dome experience makes a significant difference here. Challenges and honest drawbacks. Every home type has trade-offs, and dome homes are no exception. The first challenge is financing. In 2026, traditional mortgage lenders are still more cautious about dome homes than conventional construction, primarily because comparables are harder to find in most markets. This is improving as dome homes become more common, but buyers should expect to spend more time finding the right lender and should work with mortgage brokers who have experience with non-traditional residential construction. The second challenge is planning and permitting. In many jurisdictions, building codes were written with rectangular structures in mind. While dome homes are absolutely buildable under most residential codes, the process of getting permits approved can take longer and require more documentation than a standard build. Working with a builder or architect who has navigated this process in your specific area is extremely helpful. The third challenge is skilled labor availability. Not every general contractor knows how to build a dome home, and hiring someone without specific experience often leads to problems with panel sealing, insulation installation, and waterproofing. Leaks and moisture issues have historically been the most common complaint among dome homeowners, and in virtually every case they trace back to poor workmanship rather than any inherent flaw in the design. This is why choosing the right builder is not just important, it is essential. The fourth challenge is furniture and storage. The curved walls and varying ceiling heights do make conventional furniture placement trickier than in a rectangular room. Custom built-ins and thoughtful layout planning are important, and buyers should budget for that additional design work. A company that can build your dome home. If you are seriously considering a geodesic dome home and want to work with an experienced builder who specializes in this construction type, one company worth researching is Pacific Domes, based in Ashland, Oregon. Pacific Domes has been designing and manufacturing geodesic dome structures since 1980 and has a substantial portfolio of residential dome homes, glamping domes, and event structures across North America and internationally. They offer prefabricated dome packages in multiple diameters, and their team has experience guiding clients through the full process from initial design through to completion. Their residential offerings range from compact off-grid retreat domes to larger family home configurations, and they work with clients on both turnkey builds and kit supply for owner-builders. Visiting their website and browsing their project gallery is a good starting point if you want to understand the realistic range of what is available in the current market. Another name in the space is Dome Spaces, which has built a reputation for high-specification timber-framed dome homes with a particular emphasis on interior finish quality and energy performance. For buyers in Europe and the UK, companies like RE Domes and Ecodome are producing well-regarded residential structures suited to the European planning environment and climate conditions. Is a geodesic dome home right for you? Geodesic dome homes are not for everyone, and that is perfectly fine. They demand a certain open-mindedness about what a home looks and feels like. They work best for buyers who prioritize energy performance, structural resilience, and design individuality over the ease and familiarity of conventional construction. They are particularly well-suited to rural and semi-rural sites where the dome's visual impact can be fully appreciated and where the energy savings make the most practical difference. For remote workers, small families, retirees, and adventurous homebuyers who want their home to be both a practical shelter and a genuine expression of a different way of living, the geodesic dome home in 2026 offers one of the most compelling propositions in residential construction. The technology has matured, the design options have broadened, and the builder ecosystem has developed to a point where this is no longer a fringe choice. If you have the right site, the right mindset, and the right builder, a geodesic dome home can deliver extraordinary value, extraordinary beauty, and extraordinary durability for decades to come. So there you have it. The full story on geodesic dome homes in 2026, from the design options and interior possibilities to the real costs and the honest challenges. This is a home type that genuinely delivers on its promise when it is done right, and the market in 2026 gives you more ways to do it right than ever before. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up because it genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are looking for honest, detailed home design content. Subscribe if you have not already, and hit that notification bell so you catch every new video we publish. And I want to hear from you in the comments. Would you build a geodesic dome home? What is your biggest question or concern about this type of construction? Drop it below and I will reply. I will see you in the next video.